Okay, you guys, let's go. Good morning, guys. I am out for a lovely autumnal walk this morning. It just looked like a nice, one of those nice crisp autumn days where, you know, it just feels like cozy to go out for a walk and then come back inside and like snuggle up in a blanket or something akin to that. So I thought I would go a nice walk in the forest. And yeah, it's beautiful. There's loads of leaves everywhere, and are they oak tree seeds? I filmed them earlier. You can tell me, what was it that was lying all over the ground? I'm pretty sure it was oak tree seeds. And lots of people out with the duggies. I'll try and get some sneaky snorkel footage. Can any of you tell me, by the way, I'm new to fringe life. How do you get the fringe to stay down when the wind hits you? It just goes straight up. I'm like... So yeah, I'm permanently... When I go a walk and there's any kind of a wind, the fringe is just like... Thumps. So yeah, do you put hairspray on it, or... I don't know. Tell me in the comments. What do you do? It really is a beautiful day, to be honest. It's a little bit too warm for this. It's chilly, but it's like... I think I'm going to take my coat off. I'm wearing the cashmere sweater that I got recently, which I'm completely obsessed with. Love this thing. It's the warmest sweater, and it's so, like, it's really thin but really warm, and it's so soft. So soft. Right, I discovered earlier that well, a few things fell down the side of my bed and they came up very dusty. So I think there might be a serious dust problem down the side of my bed, which is amazing because I only moved my bed around like, I don't know, like a couple of weeks before Crete. I don't see how this much dust could have formed, but I think it needs tackled. So we have a cordless vacuum, which I'm going to try and use, but I feel like I might need the suction power of the big vacuum. I also have like floor wipey cloth type thingamabobs. They're kind of like baby wipes, but they're for your floor. I don't really know if there's any actual difference. There probably isn't. But I'm going to try using them as well because from what I could see, it doesn't look that pretty. And then I think I am probably going to need some serious bubble bath time after I finish this because I think it's going to be a big job. Do you know what, actually, this is a really good workout. Oh my god. Oh. Guys, can you see him? Mwah. Yes, you're beautiful. Now, watch the wax melt burner. Okay. I have finally done it. So, okay. Yeah, I'm feeling very happy with this right now. Apparently Loki approves. Yes, you want to eat my orchid? Hmm? It's so nice just to have the place looking but also feeling really clean, because like I tidied it before but I feel like I've really like cleaned it. So yeah. Next task will be to clean the window, but I'm gonna leave that for another day because I'm too tired. So right, I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna edit, because I have to edit the last weekly vlog that I filmed. Right. Where shall I set you guys? Is this a good one? Oh, no, that's bad. So cute. Okay, it is time for me to enjoy this. I have definitely done enough to deserve it. Yeah, it is well needed.